Okay, just a quick video here. I'm on the mailing list for General Electric, GE Appliances, and we're having, well, they're having a President's Day sale coming up. Ooh, coming up today, 2/27. I don't actually know how they got my email address. But you can save a lot of money if you don't mind being on these kind of email things. I don't like it when they put these limits on it. That should be like 10% off any appliance. More than likely I wouldn't even buy the $5.99 unless that 10%. It's only $60. It might actually make it a good buy, but if you're into higher end appliances, then 10% could be a lot of money to you. This would be the deal I'd be looking more at. Of course, that would depend on what the MSRP actually was. A lot of times those prices are inflated anyway. Well, let me know what you think. And I'll see you in the next video.